Hi everyone, I'm Ronia.
And we're Righteous and Brave.
Are you ready to learn our A to Z animals names alphabet?
Let's go!
A is for ant, marching in a line. A is for ant, so tiny and fine. A is for ant, working all day. A is for ant, hip 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 hooray.
B is for bear, big, brown, soft. B is for bear, cozy and soft. B is for bear, bear.
C is for cat, a fluffy cat.
C is for cat, a fluffy cat.
Brush the cat, hear it purr.
Purr, 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 what a sound! D is for dog, dog. Dog is so cute. Dog. D is for dog.
E is for elephant.
Elephant.
Big, big elephant.
Elephant.
E for elephant. Elephant. Big, big elephant.
F is for frog. Frog. Jumping, jumping frog. F is for frog. Frog. Jumping, jumping frog. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. Long, long neck. Giraffe. Giraffe. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. H is for hippo. Oh, hippo, hippo, hippo. H is for hippo. Oh, hippo, hippo, hippo. H is for hippo. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. Iguana on the branch. Iguana.
J is for jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
J is for jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
J is for jellyfish.
Jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. K is for kangaroo.
L is for lion.
Lion.
L is for lion.
L is for lion.
L is for lion.
Lion. L is for lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for monkey. Monkey.
N is for nightingale.
The nightingale.
N is for nightingale.
The nightingale.
N is for nightingale.
O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for octopus. 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 O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. Penguin. P is for penguin. Penguin. P is for penguin. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. Quail. Q is for quail. Quail. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. R, rabbit starts with R. Bounce like a bunny. R is fun. R, rabbit is the one. S is for snake. Snake. S is for snake. Snake. S is for snake. Snake. Snake.
T is for tiger.
Tiger. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella bird, a rainy day friend. U, umbrella bird, a letter to learn, dance in the rain. V is for vulture, very, very fun. Vulture swoops down, vroom, vroom, vroom. Vulture flies high in the big blue sky. W is for whale, in the deep blue sea. Blue sand. Splish, stinger, hash, splash, sing and play along.
X is for X-ray fish.
X is for X-ray fish. X is for X-ray fish. X is for X-ray fish.
Y is for yak.
A big yak.
Yak starts with Y. Reach up to the sky.
Y, yak, let's dance. Yak.
Z is for zebra.
Striped black and white. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Stripes black and white. Zebra.
Great job, everyone! You learned your A to Z animal names today.
High five.
Don't forget to click the red button to subscribe for more fun.
See you next time. Bye.